Hello, where are you now?
Hello.
Where are
You.
now?
I'm waiting at the bus stop. I'm waiting at
The bus.
stop.
Has the bus arrived yet?
Right.
Has the bus arrived yet?
No, I'm still waiting.
No.
No, I'm still waiting.
Is the weather nice today? Is the weather nice today?
No, it's rainy and cold. No, it's rainy and cold.
Are you standing under the shelter?
Toward the shanty.
Are you standing under the shelter?
Yes, I'm staying under the shelter. Yes, I'm staying under the shelter.
Did you bring your wallet? Did you bring your wallet?
Yes, it's in my pocket. Yes, it's in my pocket.
Can you see the bus now?
Dan.
Can you see the bus now?
No, I can't see it yet.
Oh.
No, can't see it yet.
Please stay warm and be careful.
Hi.
Please stay warm and be careful.
Don't worry, I'm safe here. Don't worry, I'm safe here.
Are many people waiting with you?
Are.
Many people waiting.
With.
You?
No, there's nobody here.
No.
No, there's nobody here.
I will make some hot tea for you.
Hot tea for.
I will make some hot tea for you.
Thank you. That sounds wonderful. Thank you. That sounds wonderful.
Oh, is that your bus? Oh, is that your bus?
Yes, my bus has just arrived.
Yes.
My bus has just arrived.
See you soon. I love you.
See.
See you soon. I love you.
Goodbye, my dear. See you at home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my dear. See you at home.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time.